I wish to...
On Wednesday, the Minister for Transport and Works, General Edward Katumba Wamala, told Parliament that the delay in the construction of the Busega-Mpigi Expressway was due to some claimants overpricing land. He cited some members of the Lugave Clan who demanded to be paid 500 million shillings as compensation for a culture tree located in Mabuye village, Katende in Mpigi district.
And they want 500 million for the tree. A tree and a few bananas. And we can't move. And I think they've been offered 150 million. They're saying that's too little money. It can't appease the spirit.
This tree stood in the way of the construction site. Today, Mpigi High Court Judge Anthony Oyuko Ojok dismissed the case which Hussein Katamba had reported, ruling that the 4.6 million shillings which had been offered in the beginning was enough. NTV visited the location of the tree in Mabuye village where we met Maria Goreti Nakazi. She told us that the tree belongs to the Pangolin clan, but her husband, the late Charles Serunjoji, bought the land where it was located.
Nga bamuyita Mayanja erinnya eddala sinza kulijjukira era omwami oyo yatuguza ekibanja ekyo nga mulimu omuti ogwo amannya gaawo gemmanyi baguyita Nabukalu.
She says that the land was registered in her son's name, Ponsia Nongondwe Maega, but the Lugave clan members continued to perform cultural rituals at the tree, and after a while, they bought the land.
They could spend a week here and slaughtering animals so they could disturb our plants. So we went on an agreement with them and they bought the land. We measured a small portion, they bought it.
Other elderly people in the area warned of the move by UNRA to cut the tree. For UNRA, this is a victory, though Sophia Namutebi, the head of traditional healers in Uganda, had a warning.
Because there were no witnesses, there was no proof or claim that this was indeed a cultural site. No official from any kingdom or any other institution had maintained or provided evidence that this was a cultural site.
Guwainuroze ochikoze kubanga tomanyi bya buwangwa tomanyi culture. Naye ojja kugenda okwekanga ng'oluguudo lwe banaalumala nga mu kifo ekyo abali baawo nga tewayitawo weeking accident ezigudde.
Namutebi explained why the owners could have asked for too much money.
Kati gusobola okusala ne kugamba nti kati njagala egundi bweti ettaka bweriti nga lijjamu ssente bweziti. Njagala olunaku lwe munanzija wano njagala ente 10 ze ziba zigulibwa abazzukulu bange bonna abadde bajje wano bansiibule bulungi ngende ente 10 za ssente mmeka.
As we filed this report, we received information that UNRA had started uprooting the tree after the ruling. Solomon Kaweesa, NTV.